experience.
So what you're saying is that he is a bad driver.
He's a very talented driver.
He should
And
be
then,
the Formula One.
Up is now one
Formula One,
thing
right?
you enjoyed the most was the football, and I think yeah, cricket. Yeah.
What about the badminton?
I'm not going to talk about that. Only positive.
And I think number 5, would you recommend other Filipinos from visiting Luzon? Of course, yes. Because it's very good to put a body on a name or a voice, not just the face, because we have video calls already. But interacting face to face, like there's a different kind of